Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x, y, where square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 5 and square root of x plus y is equal to 3. Consider this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now from equation 2, we can write square root of x plus y is equal to 3. Now taking a square to the both side, we can write this left side is square root of x plus y and whole square is equal to right side will be 3 square. We have taken this square to both side and this square root and this square will cancel out and it will be x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 3 square. This is 9 and consider this as equation number 3. Now from equation 1 we can write square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 5 and taking a square to the both side we will have a square root of x plus this square root of y and whole square is equal to right side this is 5 and a square. Or now applying formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. So applying this formula we will get square root of x and whole square plus 2 times this square root of x times this square root of y plus square root of y and whole square is equal to 5 square. This is 25. Or this square root and square will cancel and it will be x plus this 2 and square root of x times square root of y. We can write this as square root of this x times y. So x y plus here this square root and square will cancel and it will be y is equal to right side this is 25. Or now rearranging we can write this x and this y. So x plus y plus now this term 2 times square root of x y is equal to this right side 25. Or from equation 3 we have x plus y is equal to 9. So substituting this value here we can write x plus y this is 9 plus this 2 times square root of x y is equal to this 25. Or taking this 9 to right side we will get left side this 2 times square root of x y is equal to this 25 minus this 9. Or this 2 times square root of x y this will be 25 minus 9 this is 16. Or now divided both side by 2 we will get this square root of xy is equal to 16 divided by 2, this is 8. And taking a square to both sides, we'll get a square root of xy, and whole square is equal to right side is 8 square, or this square root and this square will cancel and it will be xy. So xy, this will be 8 square, which is 64, and we have to find the value of xy. So the value of xy is 64, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.